All right, so now that I got I don't have a 9-volt battery, but I was able to get a power supply, and so my input is a 9 volts, and I'm getting an output from the voltage regulator 5 volts, so I can use that and to test this switch to see if it's actually working. So what we need is a digital multimeter, and you want to set your digital multimeter to voltage, DC voltage, and then you want to make sure that these connections are connected properly. So voltage, common, okay? So then I use a piece of wire that I put around these voltage regulator, I put around these alligator clips, and then just because I can use this to plug it into or push it into the breadboard. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the negative side and I'm going to plug it into the negative side, and then using this I can test my circuit to see if it's actually working or not. So I'm going to zoom it in a little bit so you can see it better. So this side of the switch would be the inverting, and this side would be the non-inverting. So right now, if I plug this positive lead and check the voltage, you'll notice that the voltage for all these 4 switches would be 4.7, about 4.7 to 5 volts, depending on the switch. So if I can go ahead, I'll test switch number A. So when the switch number A is in the down position, you'll notice that it's 4.69 volts. So how come we're getting 4.772 volts even though that the switch handle is in down position? So this means that this is the inverting side. So this is the inverting side. So whatever, let's say for example, if this is A, so this side would be A bar and this side would be A. So this is switch A bar, A. So think of it that way. So A bar, B bar, C bar, D bar, and then A, B, C, D. So this side would be the non-inverting side. So if I were to plug it into this side, you'll notice that the voltage is 0. But if I move this switch to the up position, you'll notice that it changes to 5 volts. Okay, so basically that's how you check to see if this is if it's working. So I've already checked this side. I'm going to quickly check these other ones too. So switch B, good. Switch C, good. And then switch D, good. And if I change the switch, I should be able to get 5 volt for around 5 volts. So it's not going to be exactly 5 volts. So it's 4.67. That's good. So if let me just demonstrate this one more time here. I'm looking at switch C right now, and you'll notice that the handle is in down position. So if I move it into the up position, it becomes 4.73. So same goes with the other ones. Let me just lift the handles to the up position. 4.66, and then 4.675. So it looks like all our switches are working.